We interrupt this program to bring you this.
Robot, what are you doing?
Nothing.
What do you mean nothing? You're in the fridge.
No, I'm not.
Yeah, you are, man. There's a ham sandwich right next to you.
You asked me to get you a cold pop from the fridge.
No, I didn't.
How are you feeling?
Fine. Wait, what?
Are you hungry? Feel like munching a ham sandwich? I know I do.
Dude, you don't even eat real food.
Junk. You're on to me, aren't you?
Yeah, pretty much. Now, what are you doing in the fridge?
LED eyes are watching you. They see your every
Seriously? We're singing?
move.
That's what we're doing.
Eyes
Not a bad song.
watching
Wait,
you.
no! You're singing! In the fridge!
Watching you.
Are you for real?
Can you wipe my eyes? They fogged up a bit when you opened the door.
No, man, you're fine. Now, quit stalling and tell me what you're doing in the fridge. Well?
It's the goat. He scares me.
Goat? What goat?
I think he wants to eat me.
Well, yeah, he's a goat, man. They eat anything. Just give him the ham sandwich or something.
LED eyes are watching you. They see your every move. LED eyes are watching you. LED eyes are watching you. Woo, woo, woo. That's a nice goat. Nice goat. Nice goat. Nice goat. Nice goat.